Okay. Hey guys, I made a 5 subscriber special. I will show you it, and I'll be showing you the video, okay? So, it's not this blue cat, okay? Let me just pause the video, and I will show you the video. Here is the, video. It does include My Hero Academia. I've been working on this for at least an hour because today I decided not to use the paint bucket because, you know, I want to work hard on stuff just for my 5Ks. I just want to work on something hard just for my 5 subscribers. So, here's the video. I hope you guys like this. I really did take an hour on this. And, hopefully when I reach 80 or 10, I don't know about 10, I think 20 or 80, hopefully I will be able to do a face reveal or something like that. Because I already did a voice reveal. I was supposed to do voice reveal at 10 subs, but, you know, I couldn't wait that time, so I guess I decided not to do it. So anyways, this is the art I did for you guys. I hope you like it. By the way, if you really want a face reveal, then maybe you should subscribe if you're watching this, and I will show my face. And if I have to show my face by the time it's school time, then you guys are about to see the cutest outfit ever. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye.